Belgium. He knew there was nothing he could do about the guys in front of him. It was about avoiding any problems, and he's done it brilliantly out there. Let's have a word with young Thierry Neuville at the end of Acropolis Rally on the podium for the second time in his career.
Okay, boys,
it's coming together now.
That's the end of Acropolis Rally. You're smiling away. It's been a fantastic fight with Andreas.
Yes, absolutely. You know, I'm really so happy for this race. The performances was good for me. I learned a lot, you know, with the speed of the WRC. Yeah, everything going very good for us. This the third rally, and we finished almost top 5. That's fantastic, you know. I will try
Let's have a word with him in just 1 second.
And in your own language, please.
The team working very hard, and I'm really happy. We'll continue with the teams and we'll support the teams. Yeah, I'm really so happy. Thanks for Malcolm and for Emmeloord.
And for Qatar, it's a great result for Qatar. 2 cars inside the top 5.
Absolutely, you know, me and Terry, it was an incredible weekend. It was fantastic.
Congratulations.
Talking about challenges, and this being one of the toughest. Acropolis is a challenge, and you've just won your first WRC 2 round.
Yeah, it's a great weekend, great rally for us. Finally, after a bit disappointing period with my mistakes and car failure, we didn't manage to bring anything home. But today it's a great day. I think for myself, for Citroën, for the guys from PH Sport, and for my partners. So yeah, all good. We have to move forward. I think the best is that I learn really a lot here, and it's completely opposite condition what I was used to for the last 20 years. So coming here and driving in good way and managing to keep car on the road without big damages and without hitting the stones is already an achievement. Then winning is even more.
After what you've been through, what does this mean today?
I mean, you know, it's a great day, as I say, but there is a long way. I know I have to learn a lot, and for sure next rallies will improve me even more, but there is still a long way to go to the level which I would like to be, so still a lot to learn.
Going to be delighted. It is the handsome one's best ever result in the world.
I stalled in the end.
Oh, he stalled in the end, he said, Bex. We'll have to keep an eye on those times, but he's got a little concern, but I think he's done enough to win this one. He's done enough. Let's hope to take his best ever finish. Great stuff. Wins as well. 2 stage wins for Andreas Mikkelsen. What a rally.